how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So as promised, today I'm going to be reorganising all of my show makeup, and I've got this amazing new carrier. I always use the same company, it's from MYKITCO, and my other one basically was a really weird shape. I'll just show you. This has been my absolute baby for the past 2 years. As you can see, it's very well loved. Only thing is, because of how like randomly shaped it is, it's a bit of a nightmare to put in my suitcase. Also, I have actually can you see me? Oh yeah, we're just in my dressing room today. I have actually like outgrown that case as well, so I bought the newest version of the, is it called My Travel Buddy, I think. They did have another version of that, but they've like revamped it. So I bought that version for my next conquests, and I've just basically got all of my makeup out, as you can see, to sort out. This isn't actually all of my stuff, believe it or not. I've still got loads of makeup brushes, but I'm just not sorting them out today because that's just too much of a hassle. So I thought I would use this one, which is the new one, to put all of my show makeup bits in, because I'm hoping it's going to fit absolutely everything in. And then I'm going to use my old one to put like some of my makeup backups in and like some of my skincare, and just leave that one at home when I travel. So yeah, I'm really super excited to start this. I'm going to try and film it in a way where you can actually see what I'm doing and see me talking, but I'll see if I can get a good angle. Hold on. So I thought I'd just give you a little rundown of what I've actually got to pack in. So this is all of my makeup palettes. And then this is like my everyday makeup bag, which is just too much to handle. Mess. And then these are all my like skincare and makeup backups that I've accumulated. And then these are all my lipsticks, lip products. Then I've got like all my show skin stuff. Like prepping and priming, and then I've got my brush cleaning solution. I've got some face masks and hair masks over there. I've got all my glitter in this little box with all my brushes over there. And then I've got all of my loose eyeshadows, all of my liners and things like that. And then I've just got all of my lashes. So just quickly as well, if you didn't see it, I did a little law of attraction story about my new Juvia's makeup that I received from the universe, which I'll be packing away today. So if you do want to catch that video, then I think I'm going to release it at the same time as this. Please go and find that on my channel and just see how I manifested it. It's just a really cool little story for you. Yeah, as I always say, like Juvia's Place is my go-to for show makeup. It's just like second to none, I think. Okay, so we've gone for this angle because you can kind of see me and you can see like most of the makeup. But what I'll do is I'll probably just put like a little time lapse on anyway, so I won't be speaking. But I'm going to get my makeup bag first, my new one. And I'm just going to like start from the top basically and just like start filling it where I can. And yeah, and then I will get back to you with kind of like the finished organisation of it. Okay, so wish me luck, here we go. Guys, I am literally fangirling so hard over this makeup case. I'm so surprised how much I've been able to fit in it. Like, it literally is like Mary Poppins bag, I'm not even joking. Like, it is literally huge. I'll just go through with you now and show you how much I've been able to put in there. I have actually put like more than I'd actually take on a contract with me, just because I can fit it in. But before I go on my next contract, I will just like take out the things that I'm really not going to use every day. Because obviously the least luggage that I have, the better. But just to show like honestly how much stuff it fits in, whilst I'm at home I'll be using like all of this stuff, which is absolutely amazing. I've only sorted out the new makeup case, and I've not actually done the old one yet, and I think I might actually save that for skincare. So I'll probably do another video about that, to be honest. Like, I'm just gonna show you this new one because I'm absolutely like freaking out, like it's so sick. So this is what it's like with everything in it, and it's not even like bulging considering the amount of stuff that I have. Like, let me just stand up, pull my trousers down because they're gonna rise up. So that is what it looks like. Hi. Like that. It's quite like chunky from the side, but considering that has got like every piece of makeup in it that I would need like day to day, yeah, like it's literally so good. And it probably weighs, to be honest, about the same as my old one did. Luggage wise, like having to carry around so much makeup all the time is like, it takes up so much of your luggage weight. Like my last one was like 7 kilos, so that took up like a hell of a lot of my space. But because there's so much space in this new bag, I think I'm going to put like all of my other beauty stuff in it as well once I take out the stuff that I don't really need. Like there's some makeup palettes that I really won't need to take with me on the contract, just because I'll have like duplicates of all the colours already. And yeah, and then I'll just put like my eyebrow stuff in there and like my face stuff. So I'm hoping that 7 kilos will literally fit in like all of my stuff that I'll need for a contract, which is like so good. But yeah, so I'll show you inside. So starting from this side, also this you can like put your hand in, and if you wanted to like carry anything on there, like I could put like a towel in there maybe just to like carry it to the dressing room. So this has got all of my palettes in it. Like there are so many, there's 12 or 13 palettes in there, and obviously like I'm probably only going to take about 7 with me, I think. So that's amazing that they all fit in, and I probably will show you all of my palettes like in a sec. There they are, the two babies side by side. So these are all my makeup palettes. I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown of what I've got. I will probably just take this big one of it. So these are all my Juvia's Place ones, all of them, and that one over there. I have 2 of these, just because that's how it's happened. That one is extremely old, so I'll probably leave that one here. Like I'll take the big one, and I'll probably take these 2. I won't be taking this one with me, it's just got neutrals in, which I don't really need. That is actually an Anastasia one, which I do use just on the daily, but won't really use it for shows because I've got so many purples now. And this one, I'm not normally a fan of Barry M, but we had a magic show and it had a really nice shimmer black in it, so I used that. This one is actually a present that I've got recently from my sister. Like you just can't get over those colours, like they're just like insane. And this is the Anastasia highlight palette, and I have so many highlighters, so I won't take that one. This is a new one that I got, which you'll see in my other video. So I'll probably take this one. Also, this one has so many colours in. And I also have 2 naked palettes, which aren't in here because they're with my normal everyday makeup. So I'll probably take 1 naked palette with me, and then I'll take this one, these 2, that one, which is absolutely amazing, and then I'll probably just take either this one or this one and this one. So the next big compartment that we have, like guys, this is probably one of my favourite compartments. So like considering there's like still a ton of space around here, I'd be tempted to like put something else in here as well. So these things actually have Velcro on the back, so I can basically put them in any way around in there. So that one has got all of my eye stuff in. That's got all of my glitter glue, glitter brushes and eyelash glue in there. Then this is all of my lip stuff. I don't want that to be too shiny. Yeah, that's literally got all of my lip stuff in, and there's still like a ton of room in each of these, but again I'll probably take some out before I actually leave. Right guys, this is my favourite part, I've decided. So I used to have this for my brushes, which was, it's super dirty now, but like it was really, really handy. And yeah, it did me a solid for the contract, and I probably will use that for something else as well, because I've always got things that I need like cases for. Just coincidentally, these things, I think I've like talked about them before, but I use these for packing, which is from the same company, and I have about 13 of these. And yeah, they're really, really good for packing as well, and I used to keep my palettes in here. But now, to keep my brushes in, so I know exactly which brush is where, I have this. I feel so much better about it, because like it's obviously wipe clean as well, so even when they get super dirty, I mean, after I use each brush, I usually dip it in like a solution and just rub it on the towel, but obviously I don't really deep clean them very, very often, because obviously I use them every single day. So we started off with the skin brushes, moving down to the eye brushes and all of that. Some of these like are so stained from using such pigmented makeup, but I always use EcoTools makeup brushes. I literally have those 2 brushes there which aren't, but the rest of them are. I just find them like super durable. The bristles are so soft, and they're all vegan and eco-friendly. But yeah, so this is obviously wipe clean, as I said, which is super handy. Just by the by, I literally am so tired, guys. I have not been able to sleep for about 3 days. I feel like I've got a hangover at this point. I'm so tired. But no matter what I do, I just can't sleep. And I don't want it to stop me from being productive or doing things that I need to do. And this is just like a complete crossover now. Like, I'm talking about ascension symptoms. I think that is probably an ascension symptom for me, because there's no other valid reason on why I've not been able to sleep, because I never struggle sleeping. And also, anyone who knows me knows that I absolutely love food. Like, I eat such a large volume of food, and for the past week and a half I've not felt ill in any other way, but my appetite is literally half. Like, I've been having half the calories that I usually would every single day. It's just so weird. But yeah, I'll probably mention this in a law of attraction video. I just thought I'd mention it to you because I thought about it. Moving on with the makeup. Next compartment. So now I've got my skincare stuff. So I've put all of my makeup removers in there, which I would not normally have in there. I would just have like one baby one, but I've managed to be able to fit them in because there's so much space. And I've put all of my foundations and even all my backups in here. I've put my backup setting spray, that's just like my BB cream, and then a new foundation, and all of my other show foundations in there. So there's so much stuff in there. And then next door to that is all of my powders, like bronzers, blushes, highlighters and all of that jazz. And also I put that little glitter case in there as well. Again, so much room left. And I won't be taking all of that with me. Then in this little compartment I've put all of the separate lashes, although when I do go on a contract I'll probably like take about half of these and just take that book with me. And then this is where I put my little brush cleaning thing. So yeah, like as you can see, just so much space. Okay, next compartment. So this is actually the last compartment, even though it feels like it goes on forever. That's where I just put my eyelash book. And there's still a load of space in there as well. There's a carry strap that attaches to this to make it easier to carry from the dressing room. I think I'm actually going to put these little badges, because every time you buy something they give you a little badge if you spend over a certain amount. So I'm going to just pop these on this case. Yep, so there we go. I've just popped all of them on there because I just think they're really cute. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But honestly guys, as you can tell, like that fits so much stuff in, and I just feel like really cleansed now. Because I don't know about you guys, but when I've got all my beauty stuff in loads of different like containers and bags and stuff, it just really stresses me out. I like to have it in just like one place with different compartments in, so I know exactly where everything is and can just pick it up and take it with me. But yeah, I am really, really pleased with it, and I am definitely feeling like that's going to serve me so well for my next contract. And it might seem like an excessive amount of makeup, but it is actually my job at the end of the day, and I spend probably at least an hour doing my makeup every single day on the ship. So yeah, and also like when it gets really late, you don't want to be up like washing all of your brushes like every single night properly. So I have just like loads of different brushes that I can use and then just wash them all together. And you do just go through stuff really quickly, and not being able to get off the ship, not knowing if there's like a decent makeup shop in all the ports you're going to, you have to kind of like pack for the whole contract, because there's no guarantee you're going to get like decent makeup depending on your itinerary. So I like to just buy it all before, obviously, and keep it with me. But yeah, what I'm going to do with that old one is, it's looking a bit sad now. I feel quite bad. I feel like I've betrayed him a bit, because like he did serve me honestly so well for the whole contract. But I'm going to give him a nice good clean, because he has got, I do like clean my makeup regularly, but I feel like he's just got like a few stains that I want to get off. And then I will put all of my skincare in it. I might do another video on that. Let me know if you want me to do another video on like packing my old makeup bag of all my skin stuff. Just like put a little comment below if you've got any questions about where I got anything. Just shout me below, and yeah, but that's basically it. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put on the little notification bell, because it really helps me out. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. I will put my Instagram below here. My main Instagram account is KJ Aston, and then I also have a makeup account on Instagram where I occasionally post looks that I do, which is KJ Chameleon, if you fancy giving it a follow. But yeah, and also don't forget to check out, if you are interested in the law of attraction, I've got an entire playlist of law of attraction videos, whether you're like starting out, a beginner, or some more advanced stuff out there. And also there is a video, as I said earlier, about me manifesting some of this makeup for free. So yeah, definitely check that out. But that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate all of your time. Hope you have a wonderful day or night, depending on what you're doing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!